Hello.
Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. So let's get started with the new update which I have made in my tape reading toolkit. I got many. First of all, thank you very much for placing your trust on me, and whoever has purchased this trading system. I'm looking forward to seeing your results in positive, and looking forward to seeing your business growing day by day. So without wasting any time, this was a chart which I showed you. One second. Let me- So actually, I shared. One second. Just give me a minute. Okay, so in today in our group, VSA and Wyckoff, at 3:24 p.m. I shared this chart of GBPUSD. These were the moments which were taken place after the fall of from last 2 days, and this was the tight range. Hello. So this was the tight range. Price was coiling in, and then after that, this was the last bar which I shared with you all. So I made some adjustment into it, and I made some new things to facilitate the understanding of those who are facing issues. Chart. So now, previously, you people were able to see these signals. I've changed the signals. Previously, it was visible. Top and bottom. But many people, they ask me, like I said earlier, many people ask me about, sir, is there any trial system you provide, or is there any free trial kind of a thing? I'll put it in put in a straight way. I don't provide any trials, nor any paid trials, nor any free trials. Having the reason behind this thing is the thing I'm charging is peanuts, and my main objective is to impart knowledge, not to sell, not to just. There might be people who might be providing free trials, this and that, but if their objective is to train the people how to use it, that I'm doing on a consistent basis. So henceforth, I'll be I'll be sharing videos based on the teaching and how to use them to trade. Apart from that, if there are some people who want to, they give free trial and they cross sell, upsell, this sell, this. So I'm not a seller. I'm just here to what worked for me. I just want you to. I just want to pass it on. That's it. That's the main reason. The rest is your choice whether you want to go for it or not. But one thing is for sure, you will not get something which is this much. What you can say, competent enough to give you a result which you are expecting. I haven't seen anything closer to this one based on my 15 years of experience. So having said that, let's get started. If you want to buy, you buy. If you don't want to buy, it's your call to take. But sooner or later, you will come back to the system because the system is so fruitful and it works like anything. After just stay connected, watch my 10-15 minutes videos once in a while. Well, as soon as you get some time, get in touch with the system. Sooner or later, you'll. This is the ultimate solution. It's not, nobody can challenge this thing. It's an open challenge for me because many people they come across to me. They like if they come and meet me and talk me and take training from me after 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years, after spending money and learning here and there, they come back to me and say, "Sir, what we have developed is what what a trader need to make consistent income." So, having said that, let's get started. What I have added now, this is what initially was available with this toolkit. Now I have made some advancement. It is version 109. This toolkit is added with an analysis dashboard. So no need to go for this one. So this version, what you have to do, you just have to when you the people who have bought it, they'll get the revision by tomorrow evening. What you have to do, you have to toolbox, you have to uncheck this thing. This will remove the bottom table. Now this table is what of a like we have to use it while training. So this is static. If you want to give it an on and off button, that is possible. Just let me know. I'll give the on and off button. But keep it on your chart. It will help you a lot. So having said that, let me change the color. Color should be black. Okay. So we'll go with the first signal. These circles, they denote bar color or candle color. Now, initially I used to use it on bars. You can also use it on bars if you don't feel comfortable using it on bars, because as there are many students who are using candlestick patterns. So this can be used on candles also. Like black bars would be referred to as black candles, and whatever the color based on the analysis done on the background based on the formula computation, it will generate the colors, and this color would be same for bars and candles. So this is a very good break, like you can say, a solution for people who are using who want to use on candle. So getting started with this one. First one, green color candle or a bar with green triangle upwards. This will refer to demand is greater than supply. That happens on a markup in Wyckoff cycles. So this is demand is greater than supply, 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 demand is greater than supply. So this is this one. This refers to this one. Second thing, supply. Red means red bar or red candle. Blue triangles mean facing downwards, means supply. So green candle with blue triangle downwards means supply is greater than demand. That's the reason we will see price plummeting downwards with high momentum. Let me zoom back. Let me hide. Okay. So you will see red bar, blue triangle, red bar, blue triangle, red bar, blue triangle, red candle, blue triangle, red candle, blue triangle, red candle, blue triangle. So whenever there is a red candle with blue triangle underneath toward the facing pointing towards downwards, means supply is greater than demand. Third analysis, green candle with blue downward triangle. So let me find an example of this one. Here. So whenever there is this kind of situation arising in the market, so here you can say demand supply imbalance and trend change is about to come, or there is a possibility of trend change. If this is a situation, candle is green. I hope you people are able to see this. Okay, I'll keep it that this way. Candle is green or bar is green. There is blue triangle facing downwards. This is where demand and supply imbalance. There is imbalance between supply and demand, or demand and supply, vice versa. So here there could be a possible trend change taking place, because this is the pain area. When we say imbalance, that means that is the most pain area in the market. After that, we see red candle with the green triangle upwards. So here is example. Here is one example, and here is also one example. We'll see both the examples. If this is the case, then supply demand imbalance, and there could be a possible trend change. So we were going upwards. This is a red bar or candle with green triangle on the highest upper side pointing upwards. After that, what was our interpretation? What was our analysis report? What it suggests? Either it is a supply and demand imbalance, first thing. Second thing, there could be a possible trend change taking place in some duration. So after this, you can see there was a consolidation and price made downward progress. After that, we come to this point. This is also a imbalance. A red candle with green triangle. This what does this suggest? What is our analysis? Supply demand imbalance and trend change is possible. So you will say, sir, what kind of trend change is possible? If we are going upwards and this kind of candle is coming up, the trend change would definitely be in an opposite direction. That has to be, if we are going, price is going upwards, the trend change would be, or it means this uptrend is going to be tested by a pullback, or either there would be a complete trend change. So either ways, prices are going to fall. Okay. So having said that, this is the second thing. And this is the third place we have seen red candle with green triangle. Here it suggests there could be a trend change. Now, as we are approaching downwards, this kind of thing is happening. That means we are going to see there is an imbalance in this particular area or on this particular price, and either price is going to go sideways before continuing its journey, or either there would be a trend change taking place. So we have seen 3 examples of this one on the current chart. Now this one is hollow candles. Hollow candles means this candles. So hollow candles with this kind of triangles, orange triangle, there has green triangle, means weak demand or prices are expected to move. Like if, for example, there is a red, one second, let me delete this one. If this is a hollow candle and there is a red triangle printing below the candle, this suggests weak supply. Either it could be a weak supply kind of thing, or we are expected to see downward price flow. Either we are expected to see, this is a weak supply. Weak supply, by the word, it means supply is getting weaker. When supply is getting weaker, we are in coming sessions, we are expecting price to go upwards. If that is not the case, second thing, what we are instant gratification should be, price should continue to go downwards with an ease. So this is one case. Second case, if this one is hollow and this one is green, it has to be orange. If this is the case, that means prices are going to, it's a weak demand, and weak demand, and second thing, prices are expected to move upwards. Last one, second last, no demand, no supply. This is only referring to candle. The circle color only refers to candle or bar. Wherever there is a triangle signal, if it holds any importance, then I had mentioned it over here. So white candle is no supply, no demand. No demand should always be looked when we are testing above or testing highs or testing tops, and no supply should always be taken into consideration when we are testing the bottoms. There are, in coming sessions, I'll teach I'll teach all other things which are related to this one. But today I'm just introducing this analysis dashboard, which you can use. Now, the last one, yellow color candles. Here also I have not taken into consideration the triangles, only the color. So what this yellow what does it mean, and what analysis we should do, or what conclusion we should come on, or what should be our interpretation of this one? Yellow candle refers to either there would be a trend shift or trend change taking place, or price will continue in its previous trend. For example, if we are coming downwards and then we are coming upwards, what happened at this particular point? Yellow candle printed. So what was the immediate trend? Immediate trend was upwards, because price was moving towards a higher direction. So what, based on our analysis, what does it says? First thing, there would be a trend change. So if price is going upwards, trend change means we would see price coming downwards. If not, then after this yellow bar, the previous trend, what is the previous trend? Is up move, or is an uptrend. So after here, we could see this kind of thing. So like in this case, I think this was my last candle which I showed, which I on the image which I shared had this last candle printed on it, or there was some duration left for the completion of this candle. Price is moving upwards. Again, we have caught a yellow candle, which is my baby. These yellow candles are based on my observation. So one thing, either there would be a trend change. If we are trending upwards, there would be a trend change. Trend change means if we are going up, then price depreciation would take place. We don't know how much how much depreciation would take place. Either it would be 100 point, 200 point, or it would be a free fall. We don't know, but there would be some depreciation, and it depreciated. Second thing, it act as a trend change. So this one, pull back, and then continuation. Now after that, After this part and after this part, because this is a week, for example, hollow with weeks, this one, weak supply, expected price flow downwards, but it was not the case due to this two analysis, these two things coming together, and moreover, see the beauty of this one. If I remove this one, would you able to say what is happening exactly at this particular point? That's the reason I have developed this system, to make it easy for the trader to understand what each tape reading is means. What, because as we have time at our disposal, we can analyze what a particular bar or candle achieved in set duration. The set duration might be 1 minute, or it might be 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, day or week. It works on any structure. It works on any smart money concept, ICT. It will enhance your trades when it comes to understanding where the market is going to go. We are testing this particular level. For per se, this was a supply, and in the same area, we are observing a trend change kind of a bar, followed by a weak supply. That means this entire supply is getting tested as per the lead David, and then this particular bar, it was clear that we are going to upwards, and we have demand and control, this, and then after that, this is this yellow bar or candle printed over here, suggesting us there could be a possible trend change, or price will continue its previous trend. So if from this point price has already moved 3 bars upwards, it made good, like it made some sort of progress. So we can say it has done this thing. This analysis was correct, but at the same time there is a trend change, because we are observing shortening of thrust at this particular point. So might be possible in coming session or coming hours, we can see price might depreciate below. If you know how to play around with your structure, that means price is losing steam to take this market upwards. So this is how it's an excellent tool, only if you know how to use it. One time, if you use it for one time, if you understand it for one time, then you'll never leave it. Even if you are using your any smart money concepts, any moving average, any RSI, MACD, because this is purely based on demand and supply, cause and effect, effort versus result, 3 laws of Wyckoff, and it is pure tape reading. Even if you come down to 1 minute, it will not make any difference. You would be in an easy position to assess this yellow trend change or price continuation. Here there was no progress, no demand. As we were approaching upwards, what could be the possible trend change? Downwards. We have no participation at this. This was a deciding bar. We are going to go down with supplies greater than demand, and after that a week, no supply, on weak demand, price went downwards. Again here, the yellow bar, either price will continue or there would be a price trend change. This is the demand bar. Here demand is greater than supply. As we are approaching, this was a last gut check, and then price moved upwards. So thanks a lot for the video, watching the video. If you have any question, you can ask me, and you can give it a try, and definitely you will love it. In coming sessions, I will be uploading videos based on how to collaborate this tool with your existing trading strategy, so that, like, based on this tool and my trading style, I have an accuracy of 85+%. So you can also achieve the same or more than that, depending upon what strategy you are using. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can reach out to me through WhatsApp or Telegram. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Good night.